I bet you didn't know you could make veggies vanish like magic with just a bit of cheese. Stick around to discover how. Today, we're making a super fun, healthy, and delicious snack your kids will absolutely love. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's a sneaky way to get those picky eaters munching on veggies. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 slices of whole wheat bread, 1/2 cup of grated cheese, cheddar or mozzarella, 1/4 cup of finely chopped veggies. I'm using carrots, bell peppers, and spinach, but go with whatever your kids like. 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil, and optional, a pinch of oregano or chili flakes for some extra flavor. Customize this recipe based on what your kids enjoy. Now let's move on to the fun part. Making the toast. First, we'll prep our veggies. I'm chopping them into tiny pieces so they cook quickly and blend well with the cheese. If your kids are picky about veggies, you can even grate them or blend them into a paste, they'll never notice. Once the veggies are ready, let's toast the bread. You can use a toaster or a pan. I'm using a pan. Just heat it up on medium flame, add a little butter or olive oil, and toast the bread until it's slightly crispy. This will give our toast a nice crunch. First, spread a little butter or olive oil on the toasted bread. This will help the veggies and cheese stick better. Next, sprinkle the chopped veggies evenly over the bread. Don't be shy, the more veggies the better. Tired of veggie battles? This cheesy veggie toast will save the day. First things first, spread some butter or olive oil on your toast. Now sprinkle those colorful veggies evenly. Time for the main event, cheese. Add a generous layer of grated cheese on top. Want extra flavor? Add a pinch of oregano or chili flakes. Melt that cheese to gooey perfection. Cut into fun shapes and serve warm. Delicious. Thumbs up, share. Yum! It's banana pancake time! Hey there, little chefs! Today we're making yummy banana pancakes. These are super easy and so much fun to make. Let's get started. These pancakes are not only delicious but also good for you. Bananas are packed with energy and make you strong. Are you ready to put on your chef hats and make some pancake magic? Let's go. Before we start cooking, let's gather all our ingredients. It's like a treasure hunt in the kitchen. We need 1 ripe banana. The softer, the better. 1 egg. This helps our pancakes stick together. 1/2 cup of milk, any kind you like. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, for a yummy flavor. And 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. This makes our pancakes fluffy. Now wash your hands and let's get started with the fun part. First, we need to mash our banana. Ask a grown-up to help you peel it. Then you can use a fork to squish it until it's smooth. Next, crack the egg into the bowl with the mashed banana. Pour in the milk and add the vanilla extract. Mix everything together with a spoon. Now slowly add the flour to the bowl while you mix. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are combined and there are no more lumps. Our pancake batter is ready. If you want, you can add some extra goodies like chocolate chips or blueberries to your batter. Yum! Now, ask a grown-up to help you with this part. Heat a little bit of butter or oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour a spoonful of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and puffy. Carefully flip the pancakes with a spatula. Be careful, the pan is hot. Once the pancakes are cooked, stack them on a plate. You can add your favorite toppings like sliced bananas, honey, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Enjoy your yummy banana pancakes. They are best served warm and fresh off the griddle. Don't forget to share your pancake creations with your family and friends.